Welcome back to the Daily Drives, where we explore the most powerful, futuristic, and game-changing machines on the planet. If you love next-generation vehicles and groundbreaking engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a machine that represents the future of heavy construction itself, the Liebherr R 9400 Electric. Imagine for 2026 a massive mining excavator that proves power and sustainability can exist together, the Liebherr R 9400 Electric is not just an upgrade. It's a complete shift in how large-scale excavation is done. Designed for demanding mining and heavy industrial operations, this electric excavator replaces traditional diesel power with a fully electric drive system, delivering constant performance with dramatically lower emissions. In a world where mining companies are under pressure to reduce their environmental footprint, this machine arrives as a serious solution rather than a concept or experiment. What makes the R 9400 Electric so impressive is its sheer scale combined with precision engineering. This is a machine built to move enormous volumes of material day after day, yet it operates with smooth, controlled movements that reduce wear and increase efficiency. The electric drive provides instant torque, meaning there is no lag in power delivery. Every movement of the boom, stick, and bucket feels deliberate and strong, allowing operators to work faster while maintaining accuracy in tough conditions. One of the biggest advantages of the electric system is reliability. Unlike diesel engines that require frequent maintenance, fuel management, and complex emission systems, the electric setup is simpler and more durable over long operating hours. This translates into lower operating costs and reduced downtime, two factors that matter most in large mining operations where every minute counts. The R 9400 Electric is designed to run continuously with consistent output, making it ideal for high-demand sites. Inside the operator's cabin, Liebherr focuses heavily on comfort and control. The cabin is spacious, well-insulated, and designed to reduce fatigue during long shifts. Advanced displays provide real-time data on machine performance, energy consumption, and system health. Operators can monitor efficiency instantly, allowing smarter decisions that save energy and improve productivity. Ergonomic controls ensure smooth operation. Even during complex digging cycles, noise reduction is another major benefit of going electric. The R 9400 Electric operates far more quietly than its diesel counterpart, improving working conditions for operators and nearby crews. This also makes it suitable for sites with stricter noise regulations, expanding where and how such massive machines can be used. Reduced vibration further enhances comfort and extends the lifespan of key components. From a sustainability standpoint, this excavator is a game changer. When powered by renewable energy sources, the R 9400 Electric can operate with near-zero on-site emissions. This aligns perfectly with global goals for cleaner industrial operations and future-proofs mining companies against tightening environmental regulations. It's not just about being green, it's about staying competitive in a rapidly changing industry. Durability remains at the core of Liebherr's design philosophy. The reinforced undercarriage, heavy-duty structures, and high-strength materials ensure the R 9400 Electric can handle extreme loads and harsh environments. Whether operating in open-pit mines, quarries, or large construction projects, this machine is built to last under pressure. What truly sets this excavator apart is how it balances raw power with intelligent technology. Smart energy management systems optimize electricity usage without compromising performance. The result is a machine that works harder, smarter, and cleaner than anything before it. It's a clear statement that the future of heavy machinery is not just bigger, but better. As we look ahead to 2026 and beyond, the Liebherr R 9400 Electric stands as a symbol of what's coming next. It shows that even the largest machines on Earth can evolve, adapt, and lead the way toward a more efficient and responsible future. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible electric giant, make sure to support the channel by liking the video and sharing it with fellow machine enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest deep dives into futuristic vehicles and powerful innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with another machine that's changing the world.